Right, here we have the candy on a wash. It's really sudsy in there. We're on a rapid 44. 40 minutes left on the clock. See if it sudslocks. Yep. Sudslock. It's gonna sudslock again, I know it is. Because liquid tabs, what we're using is Ariel 3-in-1. And yeah, it's really sudsy. Can you hear that rubbing noise when it's spinning? It's not too unbalanced. Here we go. Yep. Sudslock. Can you hear the motor? Oh my god, that is sudslocking. Can you hear the motor? It's like... Oh my goodness, that is sudslocking! Look at it. That is sudslocking heavily, that. Can you hear the motor? Listen for the motor brake. Oh my goodness. Motor brake. Oh my goodness, that is sudsy. Definitely got a video of the final spin. Well, I don't know what it's doing. I think it's going to go on its emergency rinse. I'm surprised it didn't cut out. Look at all the suds in there. Rinse. Right guys, I'm going to video the final spin. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this, bye.